So guys, now we will um test a type of test. It is called unit test. The difference about the unit test is and the integration test. Um, Unit test is all about one component. Like as you can see here in the file folder, I separated the controller, the middleware, and the service. On the integration test, I put like not service here. I think I need to rename this one. This should be called by core endpoint. Yeah, core service is maybe service is right, but the issue here, I mean not issue is the concern here is the endpoint. I call it integration endpoint since as you can see, this I don't have mux here. If I do have mux here, um, I will call it an API test. But since there's no mux here, there's no partial integration here, so I call it integration test. So integration test is I use just in here just with um super test like it actually called the backend to try to like like post method like that and send data to everything. So it will have a post method. Where's the yes, here super test. So that one, this the actual endpoint, and I test this endpoint. Uh, so my endpoint structure is like this. Um, I get the login here in this route. Oh, how do I get back? Oh no. So the test is on admin account, then the account routes here. So I test everything here. Mhm. And the first test is this endpoint, get all account. Since this get method, so I use query because it is a get method, and yeah, this is a get method, and I set the token from whatever the result here, and the cookies also, so it won't be tampered. And this is the actual backend if you call it on the front end. So endpoint. So here just to make myself easier to test, I just call the zode function that I made, and since no, so I call the zode function that I made. So this is a zode function. It is a z like zode. So inside I want to if this response is correct, then I want it array, then all of these objects since I put a string here. So so just to make everything fast. So I check the response. So 200. If not, then I have the yes. This is the um valid response. This is I think yeah, and three more failed response. So the fail response is like only the payload like um, account controller. So on my account controller, test page index. So page index here. So it is part on pagination. So in the pagination, the what I want is it to be a number. It is okay if this one is like this since I put a course here, which means whatever the input will be converted to number. If not number, this is invalid flag. So this one, so since I want number, then uh even even if I convert this one, this is not a number. So this is a string. I mean, it's okay to have a string, but the value of that string. So if it's okay if like this one, but the word one is not. Uh, that's why it failed. And I call this IT contact IT support. Uh, I have a error handler here that I organize everything from I the I manage it from SQL, and there's a GWT and another statement for Zode and for the global error again here. So let's just test what only this one for now. For now. Oh, test. No. Yes. Sorry. I can put like this. Actually, like a copy path, but uh, I need to edit things, so I don't want to edit things. So I do it like this. So integration test only for this route. So I skip everything else and I check one valid check and only input output since I don't have only input output and I only validate I mean input I mean the request and the response. Uh I check the response. I didn't uh I explain one failure of the response. Uh since um I will explain here that all the like here uh just on here okay. So I want an array with all of these objects strictly. So on this test, this actually status 200 like a valid transaction. Uh I just want to fail it purposely. So what I get like an example so I put some streak here so I purposely delete one like um I delete the name from here so the response will not validate the name. So that's why it failed. That's why it failed because this it tests this actual endpoint and go here and go to this specific controller, and when it's checked the result, like this one, it parse. So it don't have name since I get the name here, so it will fail like that. So let's test the overall integration test. So also the password. I oh maybe never mind. Clear. So it actually testing all the routes. This is oh no. Valid is not. Oh no. Oh no. Or failure to pass. I believe I didn't catch the empty. Since this is integration test, there's no mark here. So what I've done before I played the recording button, I deleted all the datas from database except for one account, only the admin account. So other than that, I deleted it, I truncated it. So that's the reason it fails here. So that's it.